I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2014 Ford Mondeo. So from any screen, if we just click on nav, if it's already on map, you can just knock the nav button again, then you've got destination input. And as usual with Ford, everything is easy to do, nice and simple, intuitive and so on. So you've got city and postcode there. Click on city and postcode. And here we go, we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, and it's PR, again, intuitive, the numbers have automatically come up, 4, and then back to letters, JS, OK button there. But some sat-navs, if there's only 2 numbers in the postcode, you have to put a space in, but as I say, this does it already. So here we go, calculate route to city centre. You can put a number in, but if you're anything like me, you just need to get there or thereabouts. And
continue to follow the road.
That's it. That's how you program the sat-nav. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Ford Mondeo. Any screen, you have phone here, menus just underneath it. You can go to menu and Bluetooth, click Bluetooth, and you've got select active phone, debomb Bluetooth devices here, or in the middle, select active Bluetooth audio device. So you can have, the driver can have his phone bonded to the telephone calls, and the passenger can have his phone bonded playing music. So this is the one we want anyway, debond BT devices, just bringing them up, just my phone at the moment, so click on that. It's gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Ford Mondeo. First thing is we make sure Bluetooth is on, like so, and then we're watching out at the bottom here. But if we go over here to telephone, no phone, but it's already in pairing mode. If you click, see there, Ford Audio, it's already come up, but if you click on Bluetooth there, it says select active phone, so you can swap between you if you're already paired, but this is what we want. So click on Ford Audio.
Please enter the PIN which is shown on the radio display into your mobile phone.
So that's it, 5932. 5932 pair. Do you want your contacts and favourites to sync? Allow. And there we go, Ford Audio is connected. That's how you pair. Another great thing with this system is if we go to iTunes, see at the bottom there, Ford Audio, there's a tick next to it, so whatever I play on my phone now on audio, so long as you're on the media section here, it will play through the speakers in the car. So I'll just turn that down, we'll go back, click play, and then you've got CD aux here. If I click CD aux, you've got a choice of line in or Bluetooth. So if I click Bluetooth, it's now playing over here. Just turn it up, and I'll control the sound level from my phone. He was telling everyone in town. There you go. So that's how you stream audio. Thanks for watching.